Yeah, hi. So we will talk about Odisha's art forms today. So we are going to go right into that. So before that, if you are someone who has already subscribed to me, I mean, welcome. And if you are someone new, hi, I'm Lipika, and this is my channel Life in Layers. And I have a huge interest in all art forms, in general art forms, and I practice a lot of them. So yeah, and I am from Odisha. Basically, I'm from Berhampur, Odisha. So that's why we will be talking about a lot of art forms of Odisha. Basically, art pieces, and we will also talk about the history behind it. Okay, so I think most of us know that Odissi is a dance form of Odisha, and that is a vibrant dance form, and this is a classical dance form. And also, I mean, apart from that, also there is tribal dances, and I think all of these dance forms are also practiced during Rath Yatra and also in all of our political ceremonies. Also, these dance forms are getting performed because this shows the heritage of Odisha as well as India. So yep, that is that, and also I have few pieces where mm, I I have collected that from Odisha itself, and also there are few brands I will be mentioning from where if you are someone who is a art collector and who likes something meaningful, I mean something connected to heritage of Odisha, or simply if you like to collect art, then you can also consider these brands and also these art forms. Okay, so I'll just start with the main art form, which is a painting, which is Patachitra, because I think in my story also in Instagram today, I wanted to check if people know about Patachitra, because that is the most, I mean, the oldest painting format, like art form of Odisha. Okay, so, and also, I think the very interesting thing about a Patachitra art form is how we make the canvas. So, usually, I think the canvases what we paint, usually, like the generic ones, are made of paper, right? But Patachitra means it's pata means either cloth or paper, or like the sheet, I mean the base where we are going to paint, and chitra is the drawing. Okay, so I have a Patachitra frame here. I got it from the brand OD Tribe, which is also in Odisha, and this brand is exactly focused on agricultural food products, which is again very organic, and most of the items are like superfood and all of that. I will definitely link that somewhere in my Instagram stories. Or, and also they are focusing on what we call home decor and art pieces, specifically Patachitra, and also there is one Talapatra art that also I'll show you because I have most of the pieces with me. It's not like that I have taken that, like it is not a collaboration as such, but I have bought it from those brands for myself because I am an art collector and I like to collect them for myself for my home. Okay, so basically this is actually, I have framed it. So this is a Vishnu Patachitra art. So this art form is called Patachitra. If you can see the intricate designs, I mean the the detailing here and in all of these places. You can see that. So basically this canvas is basically a cloth. Okay, so to make this cloth also we make layers of, I mean, Odisha people make layers of preparation. So basically this also has a layer of tamarind seed. I mean, if you know tamarind, there is also seeds. So from that seed we prepare a kind of very thick layer of glue, which is getting painted on the paper or a cloth, and that is also creating a layer to make it stable, to make that painting stick to it. Okay, and also that hardens the canvas so that the base will be stronger for a picture to stand out, right? So yeah, that is that. And give me a minute, I'll just. Thank you so much. So, yeah, that is Patachitra. And also, most of the time, we make gods and goddesses. Mostly Jagannath Chitras you will get in Patachitra format. Otherwise, there is also one more art form. Uh, I will talk about later, but just because right now I'm focusing on Patachitra, let me just tell you what other kind of pictures you can expect in form of Patachitra. So basically, we focus on gods and goddesses, and also there are certain kind of carvings which denotes animals and also the surrounding and environment, and also mainly flowers and chakras. And also, while doing these kind of paintings, the painter uses only natural colors, which is also extracted from the cells, and I think from the soil also they extract colors. Most of the colors are basically natural colors. So having something like that in your house, also because I like to find meaning in all the art pieces, it gives me a sense of nature, as well as just because I'm trying to um, have things which are mostly natural. That's why that also inspires me. And also obviously a symbol of god and goddesses or something natural will be always giving good luck to your house, right? So this is actually I keep it as it is. I framed it. One of my friend also helped me framing it. So yeah, so I just love it. So other than that, also there is one more painting what I was talking about, which is a Talapatra painting. Talapatra is basically a palm leaf. So I'll just show it to you. I haven't removed the cover. Of that also I haven't removed the cover because dust catches and I don't want them to get ruined. So basically, this is actually a very small piece of leaf. This is actually a palm leaf. And in that palm leaf, the Lakshmi painting has been done. Can you see this? This is basically a bookmark, what I got from, again, OD Drive, because I love that brand. They have a lot of collections. If you know, there are a few other brands also who are selling this kind of thing, and I'll try to link them as well. But just because I visited that shop, particularly in Bhubaneswar, which is in Odisha, the capital of Odisha. So, yeah, I found a few pieces from there, and this is basically, I love it. I love Goddess Lakshmi. That's why this painting also I got. And I got one more painting also. One more of bookmark, which is also, I think, in that kind of Bharati was there. The Bharati painting. There is a Doli and few people here and there. That kind of painting was also made on a Talapatra, and I bought that as well, but I cannot find that as of now. So yeah, this is also a very interesting art pieces, and they have bigger pieces as well. The bigger leaf will contain a huge art form. So here also we basically if you are someone who is into astrology and all of that, the Kundali, basically we write that in Talapatra. So that is also happening. That is also a tradition of Odisha. Okay, so just a second. One more thing. So I think this is a form of art which is in a painting format. I think these are the top tier ones. Okay, if you are someone who likes to collect art, you should definitely check those things out.